Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use and verify Cash App without SSN. You can use Cash App with limited features if you don't verify your account with a social security number. So, firstly, open Cash App and log in to your account. And if you want to sign up, just enter your mobile number or email address and enter the verification code Cash App sends to you. Now add a debit credit card, then connect to your bank account and enter your name. Create a unique cash tag, your Cash App username, and you can now send and receive money within the unverified limits. Just note that to unlock higher limits and additional features like Bitcoin or stock trading, you'll need to verify your account with your SSN, full name, and date of birth. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.